Convection. Convection is a process of transfer of heat in liquids and gases from hotter end to colder end. So what happens during convection? The heated liquid or gas rises upwards. So when water is boiled, the hot water particles rises upwards and just replaces the cold water particle space, and it pushes the cold water downwards. So you can see the pattern. Some of the particle rises upwards and moves towards right, and the other one moves towards left, so that the convection current is created. Convection in gases. Activity 1. Rotating paper fan. Using paper, make blades of fan. Place the paper blades at one end of the stick. Keep a lighted candle at the other end of the stick. You will observe the rotation of the paper fan. So this is because the air around the flame gets heated up and becomes less dense, and it starts to rise up. So when it rises upward, it just replaces the cold air downwards and makes the paper blade to rotate. So this is how convection happens in gases. Let us see the second activity to observe convection current. For that, make two chimneys by keeping a cardboard to show the partition in the glass bottle. One side place a lighted candle, the other side hold an incense stick. What happens here? The air that surrounds the flame starts to get heated up, and it gains the heat energy and expands and becomes less dense. So what will happen? The hot air just rises upward, and it pushes the cold air to the other side, so that one side hot air rises up, that too above the candle, the flame, the hot air rises up, and it pushes the cold air on the other side of the chimney and pushes downward. So you can see the clear pattern, the convection current here. So thus convection current is established. Convection in liquids. For that, take a jar, add hot water into it. To that, add some food color. So the food color shows the movement of the particles that rises upwards. So you can see once the food color is added to this hot water, the food color gets heated up, and those heated particles starts to rise upwards. So you can you can see the movement of the heated particles upwards. This is a kind of convection pattern happens inside liquids. So always the heated liquid rises upwards. So this is the way transfer of heat takes place by the process of convection in liquids. Thank you.